Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix this app is not available in your country or region on any iPhone. Now, if I try to install this app on my iPhone, as you can see, it is showing that this app is currently not available in your country or region. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now, just tap on the profile icon. Now, just tap on the name of your profile. Now from here you will find the option of country or region. Just tap on it. And from here just select any other country. For example, I will select the United States. Now just tap on continue and select agree. Now in the payment method just select none. And from here just enter the details of the other region which you have selected. For example, just enter the name of the street. Now just enter the name of the city. Now just select the state and from here just select the state. Now in this section just enter the zip code of the area which you have selected. Now from here just enter the phone number. Now once you have entered your phone number, just tap on done. Now as you can see we have successfully changed our country or region. Now if I go to the home screen and open the Safari app, now if I try to download this app again, now, as you can see, we have successfully fixed this app is not available in your country or region issue on our iPhone. And this is how you can fix this app is not available in your country or region on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.